Imagine a machine built for the end of the world, a $3 million apocalypse truck designed to laugh in the face of World War III chaos. This game-changing monster redefines survival luxury, combining extreme armored protection with futuristic technology. Buckle up, because this might be the ultimate doomsday vehicle, a rolling fortress no bunker can compete with. Meet the Apocalypse Truck, a 30-foot titanium-clad colossus with aggressive angular styling that cuts through the storm like a predator. Its matte black armored body is reinforced with ballistic steel and Kevlar composites, engineered to withstand extreme impacts and harsh environments. Massive 46-inch run-flat tires dominate any terrain: mud, snow, rubble, or desert. No matter where the road ends, this beast keeps moving. Step inside and everything changes. The interior feels less like a truck and more like a futuristic command center. A cockpit inspired by private jets and luxury yachts surrounds you with technology. Massive digital displays stretch across the dashboard, delivering navigation, surveillance, and vehicle data in real time. Premium quilted leather seats provide space for up to 8 passengers, while advanced climate control, satellite communication, and survival systems transform the cabin into a mobile command hub. Under the hood lives something truly insane: a twin-turbo V16 hybrid powertrain producing nearly 2,500 horsepower. Despite its massive armored weight, this machine can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. Dual high-capacity fuel tanks and solar-assisted power systems provide an incredible long-distance range, while advanced electric drive motors allow for quiet, stealth movement when needed. Handling a 25-ton armored truck might sound impossible, but cutting-edge suspension technology changes everything. Adaptive off-road suspension and intelligent traction systems allow the Apocalypse Truck to dominate terrain that would stop most vehicles instantly. Rocks, sand, mountains, and debris become nothing more than obstacles waiting to be crushed. Safety and protection are where this vehicle truly shines. Reinforced armored glass, advanced sensor systems, thermal cameras, and 360-degree monitoring provide complete situational awareness. Inside, specialized filtration systems protect occupants from hazardous environments, while the sealed cabin ensures survival in extreme conditions. At a price of around $3 million, the Apocalypse Truck sits in a class of its own, exclusive, rare, and engineered for the most extreme scenarios imaginable. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement, a machine designed to survive when everything else fails. Because the Apocalypse Truck isn't simply transportation, it's a fortress on wheels, a symbol of power, survival, and next-generation engineering. If the world ever changes, this might be the vehicle you want beside you. And if you love insane vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI car reviews of the machines shaping the future. So tell us in the comments, what feature impressed you the most about the Apocalypse Truck?